Welcome to City Grill. My name's Rob Vore. In this episode, I love pizza, right? I do pizza all the time at home and even when I'm away. Worked at Showbiz Pizza Place a long time ago, and now it's Chuck E. Cheese, you know, all that stuff. But anyways, tonight I'm gonna do a pan pizza out on the grill in an iron skillet. So I've got my iron skillet, and I'm gonna do something a little bit different. I have some compound butter, and I'm just gonna use maybe a teaspoon. Put it in here just like so. And then I have a paper towel, and I'm just gonna smear this compound butter all over this pan before I put my dough in, right? Hopefully this will give it a nice brown buttery crust, right? And hopefully it won't stick too bad either once we cook this. So I'm gonna go ahead and put this all the way around, all the way up the sides, maybe come up even way up high, just like that. Perfect. You know, you could use Crisco, but in this case, I just want to do this clarified butter, see how it works. All right, next step, we got the clarified butter in the pan. I've got a little oil on my hand too, so that way I can take my dough, and this is just a cheap packaged dough, right? You can get it at any of the grocery store. So I'm just gonna bring it in here just like that, and push it all the way around to the sides inside of here. So let me go ahead and take care of this, and then we'll come right back. Okay, so we have the pizza dough spread out. So now I'm gonna take my pizza sauce, and you can get the recipe on my website. I've got this great sauce. It's great with spaghetti and or pizza. So I'm just gonna put the sauce on the pizza just like so. I don't need all this, but I like it a little saucy. Funny stuff, saucy pizza. But add a little bit more here. You know, when you get really used to making pizzas, what you can do with your spoon is you glide that sauce across. You don't want to do this, right? So you can lift that spoon up, just lightly spin it around these circular motions, just like so, and basically get a nice even coating of that pizza sauce on the crust. So that looks pretty good. I'm okay with that. So next step is a little pepperoni. So I'm gonna put the meat, pepperoni, some mushrooms, some onions on this pizza, and then just a little bit of a special seasoning. Actually, you know, I also have this great seasoning. I'm gonna put it here on, usually I put this on the outside of the cheese, but I'm gonna go ahead and put some of this inside of this sauce, just like that. So I'll go ahead and put the meat on the pizza first. So I'm gonna do my pepperoni. I have a little bit of bacon I'll sprinkle on here as well. And again, mushrooms, peppers on. You can put whatever you want on a pizza. I have all my ingredients on the pizza. Now make sure it's spread around real nice. Pepperoni, again, mushrooms, onions, peppers, a little bit of bacon in there. Last piece, you know, put some cheese on it. I have just mozzarella cheese. Just go ahead and sprinkle this all the way around. You know, if you like it really cheesy, you can put extra cheese on it. That's fine. I like it just kind of medium cheesy, and we'll see how this goes, right? So again, just finish getting the rest of this cheese out, and we're gonna be ready to put this on the grill. You know, this will be fun. I'm gonna do just a little more of my special seasoning on top, just like so, just to give it a little extra flavor. Bam, that's great. All right, we'll go out to the grill next. I want to get this grill up to at least 400 degrees, if not 450 degrees, to cook this pan pizza. So I'm going to go ahead and place this on here while it's starting to warm up, because the pan's at room temperature, and I don't want it to crack or shatter, because, you know, it is cast iron. If it's too cold, too hot, you know, they could crack. But this is going to all heat up at the same time, and I'm going to watch my temperature and cook this until I feel like it's done. It could be about 30 minutes or so. All right, it's been 30 minutes, so take a look at this pan pizza. Wow, this looks beautiful. I rotated it a few times, and I watched the temperature the whole time to make sure it wasn't getting too hot. It looks great. Let's take it inside. All right, got pizza inside. Look at that. I'm just gonna bring it out here, just like so. Set my iron skillet aside. Wow, that is beautiful. It's extremely hot right now. I'm not gonna try to eat it right away here. Go ahead and cut it just like so. Oh, wow. It is hot, man. All that crust sounds perfect. Oh, I can't wait to get into this and start eating it. I'll let it cool down a little bit, Get the recipe at citygrill.com and subscribe to my YouTube channel.